Hi, Charles Moman here. It's another crisp morning, but it's supposed to get to 50 today. And today's video is going to be kind of disjointed because I had footage and I didn't know what to do with it because Susie had something to get done. Well, you'll see. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm shooting the intro to this video and the finish today. Like I just shot the finish a few minutes ago with Susie in here. So as you'll see in this video, and I'll try to kind of make it work, but Susie was working really hard on making the window frames, as I've told you. Like here's a dead one that looks good, but it doesn't quite fit. So she's got one done, she's working on the other, and she decides she's kind of now working more on the bed platform. We've got the shiplap. We've been holding that up there just to see what it's going to look like. We're excited about that. So hopefully this will make sense to you. It's been a busy morning. I just finished a Zoom video session with a friend of mine in Germany who's helping me with a talk. I do Holocaust education, and I did trips with Eva Kor, the late Eva Kor, and so we have a connection through Eva, and so I've been busy with that, and then we rushed out here to get some footage. So let's see how this is put together and how it works, and it'll be a little more organized the next video, I think. Pretty good.
Well, the crack shows, but I'll fill it in.
Okay.
I had another one perfect, but because of this guy, I had cut that out too much and cut this out too much. There's a big gaping hole there, so I needed a piece of wood to go under the window frame, and I took a piece of paper, and if you crunch it up in there and fold it, it makes a template. You can cut it out and use it. And the first one worked great on the first window that I did, but the second window I tried to make a template, and I've been working. But no, it worked, but because of the way the frame was, I had to cut out some pieces. And the window frame that I made was difficult because the side of the van is not straight. It's not straight this way, it's not straight that way. And then the supports that Charles put in there, I had to make sure that it came out to the level of the supports, so when we put the boards on, it's flat up against it. So I had to take all that into consideration, and it turned out really well for the first window.
All right, Susie, so I see down here 2 black pieces of the window frame and white. And then now you're working on this one. So what's up with those black pieces?
They are going around the window. The window is oval shaped.
And black.
And black. And it's very difficult to get an exact curve to go around them. But so I got black caulk and black trim around it to hide any imperfections. To
be able to install these frames, correct?
Yes.
And then we can finish the walls.
Yes.
Woohoo! And then that means we can be, after you finish the bed, second bed, we could do shiplap. And how's that bed platform going?
It's coming right along. It's coming
okay.
Actually pretty quickly.
All right.
By the way, guys, if you put that over your paint thing, you don't have to wash it out every time. You probably already know that. And then I put a container of water in there too to keep it moist.
Okay. And a little pro tip from Susie. So, may I ask what's happening?
Well, my nice window frames are... I didn't take into consideration the shiplap has to come out even with the edges of the frame. I had it coming out even with this. So that's a no-go.
So you're having to completely remake them?
Yep.
All right. I'm sorry.
Yep.
But we'll be glad.
Yep. It is what it is, as
yeah.
I say.
We'll go get some wood after my nap. Mrs. Moman, do you realize you're taking the screws out? I thought we were putting things together.
Well, I was gonna just take this out and burn it because I was so annoyed.
Wait, isn't this the bed frame?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, you mean it's the bad bed frame?
Yeah, I was gonna take it out and burn it since it was annoying me. Every time I made a pocket hole, it would split.
Yeah.
And so I just made a new one and was more careful.
And what'd you find out when you took the screws out about the durability?
Oh, yeah, I took the screws out. There's no screws over here. And I mean, you can.
Why is that?
They say, and I guess it's true, that the glue is stronger than the wood.
Yeah.
So now you know, guys, save yourself screws. Just use a pocket hole screw.
Well, we're not saying we're not recommending that, but certainly glue and screw them together, and pocket holes are wonderful. Can you tell us what you're doing?
You mean what I'm trying to do?
Yeah, that's what we're always trying.
I'm making a ledge for the... I'm making a ledge for the... I can never think of the shiplap to sit on up front because...
Above our heads.
Yeah.
So this is Susie at work customizing a piece, and I guarantee she's going to say this is 1/8 of an inch off, so she's getting a bigger piece of shiplap because we're going to have extra, and she's really wanting it to fit really perfectly, and then she'll be working on a piece that will go across the top here, and it will have that I know we're going to carpet. So here comes Susie with the final piece. I know what some of you are going to be thinking. You're thinking, what, you yank her out of bed and say, I don't care, you keep those, you don't have time to get dressed, get out there and work. But
I've been up for hours.
She has actually been up for hours, and she's working in the house right now. Usually she's in the garage, but the furnace went out on our little house next door. Some of my family's staying there right now, so they've got her space heaters, and so it's going to be a few days before it can get fixed. So what are you finding out, my dear?
Oh, well...
Please don't tell me you have to make another one.
Oh, that will make that. No.
Oh, okay.
I'm not this fat because I have a lot of stuff on under this jacket, but you may notice our scriptures here. We have them all over the van. Promises of God, which are true, by the way. Actually, this one is not. This one says driver mid-back. We were labeling the board, so I can erase that. But anyway, we go by the Bible, so... All the promises of God are yes and amen. Woohoo!
We showed two things that happened, right?
Right.
And they were?
I had to redo the window frames, both of them. Actually, I made 6 window frames for 2 windows because I originally made 2 and then redid them and then redid those.
Right. Are you happy? You're going to be happy with them now, though?
Yes.
Yeah. And then the bed frame?
Well, I still have one more window frame to do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then the bed frame the pocket holes kept splitting the wood. I don't know if the wood was old or something, but I'm doing it more carefully and kind of overlapping the wood just a tiny bit, so I won't do that.
So I think your little video, I think it sort of makes sense.
My little video? What is up with my little video?
Oh, are you finding that insulting?
Rude.
Oh, well. And so how do we finish the videos?
Oh, yes. Well, thanks for watching.